Instagram has added a new feature that's reminiscent of MySpace, allowing users to add a song to their profile. I'm Jessica, and in this video, I'll show you how to add music to your Instagram profile. Now let's get started. To add music to your Instagram profile, open the Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Select Edit Profile. Then tap Add Music to your profile. Tap the plus sign to pick a song. Now you can browse suggested tracks or search for a specific song you want to add to your profile. Tap the play button to hear a preview of a song. Tap a song name to select it. You can then select what portion of the song you'd like to play on your profile by sliding the selector at the bottom. Tap Done when you've selected the part you want to use. Then tap Done to add it to your profile. Tap the arrow in the top left corner to go back. The song you've selected will then be visible on your profile underneath your bio. Tap the play button to hear your new profile music. When your friends view your profile, they can listen to your selected song while checking out your posts. If you decide you want to switch up your profile music, just tap the song name on your profile to get options to remove or change your profile song. That's all it takes to add music to your Instagram profile. If you'd like to learn about other ways to share music on Instagram, check out our video on how to share music on Instagram Notes. Click the video on your screen now to watch. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials like this one every week.